This video is to show how to install the Frunk and how to uninstall the Frunk. It's really very easy to use. I've got them in my online shop if you're interested in buying one. Okay, there's 4 bolts that hold the Frunk in. There's one there, here, there and there. There's also a series of plugs across the back here, which I didn't worry about putting in. I just left the old ones in and put the Frunk on top. But it's up to you as to what you do. It was totally okay with it without them. So now unscrew the bolts. Now I must warn you that I'm a software developer, so I'm not real clever at taking these off, as you can see here. Which way does it go again? So this isn't my comfort zone. My comfort zone is writing software and designing things. I'm getting the hang of it now though. So I take the plugs out at the back with the orange removers that I sent with the Frunk. Makes it easy to remove it. Okay, now we put the putting the Frunk back in. Just making sure it's all in the right spot. Holes line up. Not sure what I'm thinking about there, but just making sure everything's right. Now I'll put the bolts in. Sorry it's so painful. It gives you an idea how long it takes. Push down just to get it in. The lip looks like it's supposed to go under, but it doesn't. It's just a way of sealing. Yes, that's the way it goes. I've sped this up a little bit so that it's not so painful. I think it's twice the speed. I believe if I had a socket, it'd be easier again, or a drill. By the way, this is a 10 millimeter spanner. So the 4 bolts are in and tight. And now I've got to put the plugs in, the 2 plugs at the back. They fit pretty easy, just put them in, push them in. I removed the light. I put the light there so you could see what was going on. I'll look after you. Take it off and drop it. So that's how you install it. Now let's see how to uninstall. Because if you want to access the battery, which is rare, but or if you want to take it to get a service, which is more often than what I would have thought, once a year, but anyway. So this is what you do. You take the plugs out. I didn't miss that. I did take the plug out the other side. It wasn't filmed, sorry. And then you undo the bolts. I've sped this up only because I'm slow. A normal person would probably be this speed. And now you take it out. Back to the way it was.